What do you think the
guys fighting.
We got the forklift back. I don't know how we even managed to get this sucker back in here. Obviously you saw the two wheels that were up in the air trying to pick up this thing. This thing weighs, it says it weighs 6,000 pounds, which is crazy. This thing only I think it's only rated to lift like 4,000 or 5,000 pounds. Just a small compact loader, and it got the job done, so we're good. But this is the little forklift we bought from Ray, and we're gonna rebuild it. It's got a bunch of problems. It's got a hose line leaks right here. Hydraulic fluid just dumps out of these when you get it going. The oil filter has a hole in it, so it just starts spraying oil everywhere, so we got to get a new one of those. It's leaking like right in here. Brakes don't work. Transmission fluid is bone dry, so hopefully the transmission isn't shot. There's a bunch of other things that we need to go through and see exactly what's going on. But this is her in her glory, a nice little Clark forklift. Need to get new tires, but yeah, I'm hyped on this. I think it was a good little purchase. You don't find these less than, $1,000 for really beat up ones, and we got it for a good deal. But yeah, what do you think of it?
We'll get the job done.
It's art, and it's dope because it has the tilt too.
Very good.
But yeah, so we'll make a little series of rebuilding this nice old Clark forklift. got the max airlines somewhat routed where we want them. We are gonna mount this in this area, and from the air compressor to this max air line, we're gonna have a jumper, just a Flexzilla jumper hose. And the Ingersoll Rand, they recommend having a flexible hose, so that's what we're gonna route from here to here. This is gonna be hard mounted here, and then we're gonna have the air, we ran it up and over the garage, and then we are gonna have one quick connect right here. We're gonna move this shelf and then put a quick connect here, and then we have the line running down towards the end of the shop, and you can't see the lines because we haven't tucked behind that beam, but it's right where that ladder ends. We're gonna have another drop down with a quick connect, and we ran out of enough material, so I gotta order some more, and then we'll run it up and over that garage and drop another quick connect down behind the flag, and that's gonna power the frame rack when the frame rack gets here. And the reason why we're doing a quick connect right here is because we're gonna have a lift right there, and then if we need to fill up tires out of that garage, we'll have a hose that can run out to the yard. But that is the rough setup of what we've got going with the Max Airlines. This is how the T-Connect works and the other connections. But you bevel out the blue hose, slide it in, and then you have this that goes on the blue hose, and then this locks it down. And we'll show you a little bit better on when we do one of the other quick connects, but for the most part, super easy to set up other than having to bend it. It was a pain in the butt having to bend and try to route it along, but I thought it wasn't too bad. What do you think?
Got it done.
Yeah, baby. Well, that's the quick little setup of what we're gonna get going, and then we'll show you a more detailed video of when we have it all buttoned up.